This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting the exact facts. This saves time and denials. Get the MA now, dial *#06# or open settings right arrow about. Then secure the original account info, phone number, purchase date, and billing ZIP so the carrier can verify ownership. Finally, check the carrier's unlock policy. Unpaid balances or fraud reports will prevent approval. Once done, you're ready to request the code. Keep receipts and any account ID handy for the next step. Next, you contact the carrier directly and provide MA plus the account verification details you gathered. Ask for a reference number and the expected processing time so you can follow up. If they approve, they will send a network unlock code and step-by-step insert instructions. If they deny, get the precise reason and ask about escalation or required actions. That way you know whether to wait, pay a balance, or submit additional documents. Make notes of all responses for troubleshooting. Finally, power off the phone, insert a different carrier's SIM, and power back on to prompt the unlock code entry. Carefully type the code exactly as provided. Some devices allow limited retries, so avoid guessing. Once accepted, test calls, cellular data, and MMS to confirm full network access. If the code fails, contact the carrier to recheck MA and code validity, or use an authorized third-party service as a fallback. Just verify their refund and...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.